Hi everyone, I'm Sally Simmons, Director of Love Your Weight Loss and author of several weight loss books. Now today I'm using the Froothie Optimum 9400 and I am making green eggs and ham. Eat your heart out, Dr. Seuss. Now, various ways you can do this depending on how healthy you want to be, what kind of issues you have. You can either use 2 whole eggs, or you can use 4 egg whites, or you can use 1 whole egg and 2 whites, or any of those kind of variations. That's for one person. So I'll just go with 2 eggs today. So I'm popping those in the Froothie. 1 egg. Ooh. And another one. And now for the green bit. You can use kale, either in a packet or a whole bunch of kale, or you might want to use spinach, baby spinach. Let's go with some kale today. Kale is one of the new superfoods, but it's really, really yummy. So if you haven't tried it, I strongly suggest you do, and this is a really yummy way to try it as well. So I've got, how much is in the bag? 120 kilos, 120 grams. 120 kilos would be quite a lot. So I've got probably about 100 grams in there. All right, now I'll pop the lid on, Froothie, and then I'm just going to pulse it first off, just on medium speed. And I could either temper to let the kale leaves fall down, but I'll just give them a bit of a shake. And another spin. I'm a bit of a pulsing fan, I have to, because I think it's nice to watch. And there's a few bigger leaves left in there, but that doesn't really matter. Now what I'm going to do is take the mixture, nice green mixture, and pour it in a fry pan that I've had heating on medium heat, so a non-stick fry pan. Alright, so I've got my non-stick fry pan here that I've had heating on medium heat. I'm just going to pour in the green mixture. And anything green, pretty much is going to be pretty good for you. Unless it's like a green lolly or something. And now just give that a bit of a stir. And it doesn't take very long to cook when you've already preheated it. Now, if you wanted to, you could add some additional kale leaves or spinach leaves. That would be fine. It's also nice to add a little bit of low-fat ricotta or low-fat cottage cheese into this mixture as well. And you can add further herbs. Spicy herbs work well with this if you're a spicy person. So paprika, chili kind of things, they work pretty well with this. And we'll let that cook for a minute or 2. So as you can see, this is nearly cooked now. Scrambled eggs are one of those things, the experts say, undercook them slightly because they keep cooking when you take them out of the pan. But to me, it depends on what kind of texture you like. And that's about the way I like them there. So that's our green eggs, and here we have a plate with just some ham on it, 50 grams or so, and I'm just going to pop the green eggs next to it. And there I have an extremely filling and colourful, healthy breakfast or lunch or dinner.